Collision theory tells us that molecules must collide with the correct orientation and with enough energy for the reaction to occur. If there are more than two reactants, then all of those particles will need to collide at the same time and in the correct orientation and with enough energy for the reaction to occur. The chances of all of that happening is really low, so instead, reactions that involve more than two reactants will happen in a series of steps. For example, these two could collide first, creating an intermediate, and then these two could collide next to create the final product. A reaction mechanism is the description of the elementary steps for an overall reaction. So if we look at the example, it gives us two elementary steps, one fast step and one slow step. The slow step of a reaction will always be the rate determining step, because a reaction can only go as fast as its slowest part. Think of it like a herd of animals being able to move only as fast as its slowest member. Intermediates are made in one step and used up in another step. So in the example, D is produced in the first step and it's consumed in the next step. Catalysts are not consumed during a reaction, so they're the same at the beginning of a reaction as they are at the end of a reaction. For example, B is a reactant at the beginning and a product at the end. So the overall reaction, excluding any intermediates or catalysts, in this example, is A plus E yields 2C plus F.